Good morning to all of you. Well, I am Prashant Saxena from Lebanon International School. Today I am teaching about the surface area and volume of 3D shapes. First we have to know what is 3D shape. 3D shape means which have length, breadth and height also. This is called 3D shape. Look at here, this is a cube. What is cube? Cube, this is the length of the cube, this is the breadth of the cube and this is the height of the cube. Length and breadth and height all are same, then this is called cube. It has 6 surface. First surface, second surface behind it, third surface this, fourth surface is this and fifth surface and this is 6th surface. So it has 6 surface. Okay, and look here, this is the cuboid, because what is the cuboid? Length, breadth and height all are not equal, so that's why it is called cuboid. Okay, it has also 6 surface. Surface number 1, surface number 2, surface number 3, surface number 4, surface number 5 and this is surface number 6. Okay, so today I am talking about the surface area of cuboid. Surface area of cuboid. Dear student, listen one thing. This is the length. So first of all, let length of cuboid be L, and this is the breadth. So let breadth of cuboid be B, and this is the height of cuboid. So let height of cuboid be H. Now dear student, this is length and this is breadth. So this is the first surface. What is the area of this surface? You know very well, length into breadth. This is called the area of first surface. So you can say the total surface area of cuboid equal first surface length into breadth. So you can write it here, length into breadth. At second surface also length into breadth. So you can write here plus L into B. Now look at here, this is the breadth and this is the height. So what is the area of this surface? Breadth into height plus. Also here, this is the breadth and this is the height. So you can also write here V into H. Now, this is the length and this is the height. So what is the area of this surface? Height into length. Again, what is the area of this surface? Height into length. H into L. So you can see L into B, L into B. So you can write here 2LB. B into H, B into H. You can write here 2BH. H into L, H into L. So you can write here 2HL. You can take 2 as a common. So 2LB plus BH plus HL. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Now I am telling you the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. So you can write it L into B into H. You can use the unit here, unit square. maybe it is centimeter or meter also, and it is unit cube. It is maybe meter, centimeter also. So thank you.